Hi children, do you love magic? We are going to do some magic numbers. Building of 3 times table. Okay? Now, normally you will say 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are. No. Here, you're going to use numbers to build 3 times table. So, we call them magic numbers. Okay? What we are going to do, magic numbers, building of tables 3 and 4. Magic numbers. Magic numbers. We are going to do magic numbers, building of 3 and 4 times table. What are we going to do? Building of, building up 3 and 4 times table. 3 and 4 times table. Now, how are we going to do that? Okay? Magic. I said magic numbers. You love magic, and that's why we're going to use numbers to make our tables. Now, let's look at it. First, we are going to do is 3 times table. What are we going to do first? In the magic numbers, 3 times tables. Now, when we are doing the 3 times table, all you need to do is write 1, 2, 3. What do we do? 1, 2, 3. Then stop. And then go on and on and on. 3. But the 4 will come here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Random numbers, okay? 25, 26, 27, and then you have 28, 29, and 30. I said we are doing magic numbers, but we are building 3 times table. Now, we simply wrote 1, 2, 3, okay, and then filled up. Now, just look at the last numbers. Now, we have said 3 times table. Now, let's look at all the last numbers, okay. Now, look at this box. What do you have in this box? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. What did we get? We got the magic numbers 3 times table. And you will read it as 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, and 3 tens are 30. Magic. Simply writing 1, 2, 3, and the last number, you box it, and you got the 3 times table. Now let's work on the 4 times table. What are we going to do? Let's work on the 4 times table. Okay? So we learned the magic table. Now what is this now? 3, how many times? 1 time. Now that's how we'll write. 3, how many times? 3 ones. 3 ones are what? 3 ones are 3. Got it? Once you write 1, 2, 3 and build it up, now we got. Now let's learn how to write. 3 ones are 3. Then how will you write 3 twos are? 3 2 times. 3 2 times. 3 twos are 6. And you have the multiplication sign here. Good. Next. 3. How many times? 3 threes are 9. And where's the multiplication sign? 3 into 3. Next. 4. 4. 4 into. 3 into 4. 4 times, 3, 4 times makes 12. Next, 3. How many times? 5. 3, 5 times make good 15. And you put the multiplication down. 3, 5 times. Next, 3. How many times? 6 times gives you 18. Good. 6. Next, 3. How many times? 7. 3 sevens are 21. Good. Next, 3. Next, 8 times. How many times? 3 8. 3 eights are 24. And next, 3 nines are. 3 nines are 27. And finally, you have 3 tens are 30. This is building of 3 times table in the magic numbers. So let's read it. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Now what are we going to do? We are going to build the 4 times table. What are we doing? We are going to do 4 times tables. Now, when you are doing the 4 times table, all you need to do is write 1, 2, 3, 4. What are we going to do? You write 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Okay? Now, remember you're doing the magic numbers. 4. Next, you will write 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you come back here. 9, 10, 11, 12. Next, 13, 14, 15, 16. Next, 17, 18, 19, 20. Next, 21, 22, 23, 24. Next, 25, 26, 27, 28. Next, 29, 30, 31, 32. Next, 33, 34, 35, 36. Finally, 37, 38, 39, 40. Now, we wrote numbers up to 40. Now, what are you going to do? The magic numbers are there. And what did we get? We got the 4 times table. Now, all you need to do is box the last number. Okay? Now, look at the last number. 4, 8, 12. Look at the numbers. Now, you read and see. You got the tables ready. Alright? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Now let's do very simple. Let's build after the tables. Now let's look at that. 4. 4. How many times? Ones are 4. Okay? 1 time. 4 ones are 4. We got the tables. Next we have 4 twos are. 4 twos are 8. And we got the sign. Next, 4 threes are 12. 4 threes are 12. Next, 4 fours are 16. And you put the sign here. You see how easily we build the 4 times table? Next, 4 fives are 20. Then we build 4 sixes are 24. 4 sixes are 24. Next, 4 sevens are 28. 4 sevens. Next we have 4 eights are 32. 4 eights are 32. Then 4 nines are 36. How easily we build. And finally you have 4 tens are 40. Now we will read together. Alright? So we learn to do the number with the magic number, and then we find we have the tables in front of us. 4 ones are 4. Read aloud. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. And you have 4 tens are 40. Hi children, we learned the magic numbers, building of 3 and 4 times table. Now let's work on the magic numbers and build our 6 and 7 times tables. Okay? Build up 6 and 7 times tables. Alright? Now, so first we are going to do is 6 times table. 6 times table, okay? How do we write our 6 times table? Okay. Now, building. How do we build? We're going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just like we did 4. 3 and 4, you write the numbers, magic numbers. We'll write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stop with 6 because we are doing 6 times table. Then go on. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And you go on and on. Just fill it up. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, and have 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. All right? And finally, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. All right. We've done numbers, random numbers, 1 to 6, and here we have holotask numbers. What do we do now? Box in the last numbers only. Okay. Now, we do a box here. Only the last numbers we want. Now let's read the last number we have. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54 and 60. And those are the 6 times table. Now, how do we normally say 6 ones are 6? Good. So let's do that now. 6 ones. 6 ones are 6. That's how we build a table. Next, 6 twos are 12. Good. 6 twos are. Next, 6 threes are. 6 threes are 18. What do we have here? 18. Next, 6 4. Okay, 6 fours are. What is 6 fours are? 6 fours are 24. Next, 6 fives are 30. 6 fives are. Next, 6 sevens are 36. Good. Next, 6 eights are. 6 eights are 42. 6 eights. 6 eights are 42. Next, what we have here? 6 nines are 40. 6 are 36. 6 eights are 48. And finally, 6 nines are 54. And 6 tens. 6 tens are 60. Now, let's read it along. 6 ones are 6. How do we read? 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 sixes are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. And 6 tens are 60. And that's how we build our 6 times table. Okay. Now, let's go on to build our 7 times table. Alright. Now we are going to do our 7 times table. Okay. We'll write here 7 time tables using magic numbers. That's what we are going to do. Now in this, what do? We simply write 1 to 7. Because it is 7 times table, you simply write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it. So we write numbers 1 to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then as usual go on. Now you'll write 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. Then 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 and 35. Next, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41 and 42. Next, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Next, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, and then 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. So we've done numbers up to 70. Now what do we do now? Look at the last number and put it into a box. Now let's see. We're going to take the last number, all the numbers, and we put it into a box. Now you look carefully. We've got the 7 times table. Okay? 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. Now, let's write down. What do we say for this? 7 ones are 7. How do we write? 7 ones are 7. Then we go on. 7 twos are 14. 7 twos are. Next, 7 threes are. 7 threes are 21. Next, 7 fours are. 7 fours are 28. Next, 7 fives are. 7 fives are 35. Next, 7 sixes are 42. 7 sevens are 7 sevens are 49. Next, 7 eights are 56. And then 7 nines are 63. And finally 7 tens are 70. So you see how easily using the magic numbers we build our 7 times table. Let's look at it. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 sixes are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. And 7 nines are 63. 7 tens are 17. We did the magic numbers building up 6 and 7 times table. All you have to do, write numbers 1 to 6. The last number gives you your table. And the 7 times, write numbers 1 to 7. Box in the last number and easily you get the tables. So we learn to build up 6 and 7 times tables.